Welcome to Unimaac Engineers, manufacturer and exporter of material handling equipment and construction machines. The company was incepted in 2009 at Coimbatore. State-of-the-art infrastructure and excellent logistics support make us different from others. Rotary builders and SEEF builders are some of our elite clients, and we are backed by large production capacity and flexible payment options. We offer a wide array of rotary sand sieving machines, material handling equipments 200 and 300 kgs. Our material handling equipments 200 and 300 kgs are best in the industry amongst others. We offer material handling equipment 500 kgs that are superior in performance. Rotary sand sieving machines offered by us are acknowledged for their functionality. Along with that, we offer worm reduction gearbox with wire rope and motor that are a class apart. We also provide trolleys and winches that are available at industry-leading prices. To get more information, log on at www.unimaac.com/Unimaac Engineers.